Energy heats our homes, it cooks our food, it powers industry, and it fuels quality of life. Enbridge safely delivers the energy Michigan needs. The light oil and natural gas liquids delivered by our Line 5 pipeline are transformed into the propane that keeps us warm, and the gas, diesel, and jet fuel that keeps us on the move. Protecting Michigan's waters is critically important. So is an uninterrupted supply of reliable, affordable energy that Michigan needs. That's why we're making a private investment in Michigan to build the Great Lakes Tunnel deep under the Straits of Mackinac to house Line 5. Line 5 has operated safely and reliably in the Straits for more than 65 years through a suite of preventative measures. The Great Lakes Tunnel will be bored through rock deep below the lake bed, and it will make a safe pipeline even safer, virtually eliminating the chance of a pipeline incident in the Straits. The Great Lakes Tunnel is a massive undertaking. It will be built by Michigan labor and harness the knowledge and experience of industry-leading tunnel engineers, one meticulous step at a time. Work began in summer 2019 with sediment and rock sampling in the Straits. The samples we collected tell us about the geology of the Straits and helped establish the design of the tunnel. Staging areas will be created on both the north and south shores of the Straits. On the south side, a large portal will be created as the entry point for a tunnel boring machine. The portal will be sheltered to reduce noise and protect workers from the elements. A slurry separation plant will also be established on the south shore. The slurry is a mixture of rocks, pebbles, clay, and water that will be pumped out of the tunnel when excavation begins. Once the components are separated at the plant, water is reused for the tunneling process. On the north side, a vertical shaft will be built to retrieve and dismantle the tunnel boring machine once it has crossed the Straits. The tunnel boring machine is about 500 feet long and is made up of thousands of components. It will be assembled in the south side portal over the course of 3 to 4 months. As the tunnel boring machine chews through limestone, shale, and other rock formations, it lifts segments of a 1-foot thick reinforced concrete liner into place. Grout completes the seal. The excavated rock slurry will be pumped back to the surface. The separation plant breaks down the slurry with rocks, gravel, and silt sent to landfill sites for disposal under strict environmental regulations. Because of the high hydrostatic pressure below the lake bed, saturation divers will be used to perform regular inspection and maintenance. These divers live in pressure chambers on the surface for weeks at a time and are transported down in a pressurized habitat at the head of the tunnel boring machine to do their work. The tunnel boring machine will move an average of 40 feet a day, 5 days a week, and will take about 2 years to make its way across the full 4 miles under the Straits. Once the tunnel boring machine reaches the shaft on the north shore, it's dismantled and removed in pieces. Segments of the new Line 5 pipeline will be welded, inspected, and coated on the south side in a staging area. Pipe supports with rollers will be bolted along the tunnel wall, and the pipe will be pushed along that roller system, one long segment at a time. The new pipeline will be connected to the existing Line 5 on both the north and south shores, and the current Line 5 Straits crossing deactivated. The tunnel is equipped with drainage, leak detection equipment, and electronic communications. The tunnel is being built for Line 5, but could accommodate third-party utilities, including electric and fiber optic cable. Work sites on both shores will be restored to their natural condition, with the exception of permanent maintenance structures and access roads. With that thick concrete liner, the tunnel will protect the aquatic environment in the event of a leak. It will also eliminate the possibility of an anchor strike. And as an added measure of security, the pipe may be accessed for ongoing inspection and maintenance work. Project construction is expected to start in 2021. With a state-of-the-art Great Lakes Tunnel, we're replacing energy infrastructure. We're doing more to protect Michigan water, and we're continuing to safely meet Michigan's energy needs today and well into the future.